We'll go to the Maple tonight. You can apologize to Jamie, and everything will be just peachy. Okay, good. Thanks, Clark, for everything. See you in another 10 years. Just not.
How'd it go with Grammy last night, your boy Kurt? No. Raise your hand if your brother's a... Alright, keep in touch.
Thanks to my fairy coat, I have what it takes to shimmer like this. L'Oreal.